everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, kita-kita nyo naka-bathrobe na ako and nakalimutan ko mag-vlog actually. So guys, today we are here at Fairmont, The Palm. And dito lang kami magre-relax ng girlfriend ko. We needed this break and let me give you guys a tour. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. So, nagpalit na ako agad ng pang-swimming. And this is the outfit that I was wearing a while ago. And now, this is me. Magbe-beach na kasi ako, so ready na ako. And then, I am so in love with this bathroom. And guys, ang shala na talaga ng mga hotels ngayon. Tingnan mo naman. Lalabo guys. Lalabo ang kanilang hand soap and lotion. Oh my God. Sana nagdala kong empty bottle. Char! And then, ito yung bathroom ng girlfriend ko. Yan. Toilet. Of course, separate for bath. And a bathtub. Yan. Tapos, ito actually, pwede mo tong mababa yung blinds para if you don't wanna be seen. Pero ako, okay lang yan sa akin ganyan. And then, ito yung mga gamit namin. Sorry guys, hindi ko na kayo nabigyan ng tamang tour kasi medyo makalat na agad yung room. Buti na lang hindi pa ako humihiga masyado sa bed. And that's the jowa. And let me take you outside. Sana dito na kami tumira, but of course, hindi yan possible sa ngayon. And guys, if you're still not following me, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I create a new vlog like this one, guys. And I'm just really excited to share this moment with you, with Joan. Hi! And I'll see you in a while. Okay, now we're going to the pool. Pool ba or beach? Let's see kung anong ma-feel namin. But I'm just excited. Gusto ko talaga magbilad sa araw. I don't care na kung umitim pa ako. Parang yung mga tao dito hindi sanay nakakakita ng may babae naglalakad ng naka-bathrobe. But it's fine.
Chocolate sprinkler and rainbow sprinkler. Yes, sir.
Happy ka? Yay! And also, sobrang iitim ako dito. Wait lang, hindi prepared yung skin ko. No one is swimming, just us, and I love it.
Huwag kang aangat mo naman.
Feeling ko lahat ng tao nasa beach talaga. Bathtub naman ngayon. Okay, we just finished taking a bath. Actually, nag-bathtub din kami and then shower. So, feeling extra clean tonight. We just really wanted to stay in. Ayaw namin makipagkapwa-tao tonight because we're still tired. So, ngayon, we just ordered some food. And nakakatuwa lang yung TV dito. Ang channel niya is GMA. So cute! Meron silang Filipino channel, which is actually very nice. Yeah, love the skincare. I always have a mini of this. This one, para lang laging moisturize yung skin ko. It won't get dry. Because I have a very dry skin. So quick skincare lang tayo today.
Shrimps for you or dinner today.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, can we just appreciate this skin? Actually. Now, it's time to eat the pad thai. Yum! Share na kami dito ng girlfriend ko. Pag nagutom pa kami, we still have some food. Parang hindi sila match. Okay, now. Yay! Here's our food. Ayan lang sa girlfriend ko. Diet na yan eh. Ito sa akin lahat? Yum!
The next morning.
Hi everybody! So here is the whole outfit. Ay wow! Wala pa pala akong shoes. Oh my god, wait lang. Pero almost ganda na yung outfit natin. Pang hotel pa ako ng slippers. But this is the intention. I might wear some glasses kasi later on sa breakfast, I'm sure I'm gonna be looking at my phone a lot. So ayoko na napipressure yung eyes ko kasi sumasakit na siya. So, yun lang. Here's the outfit. I'm not gonna wear some shades too. Only this as protection for, you know, looking at my phone. Okay, nakikita nyo yan. Yan ang kalsada na yan. It's parang sa US style siya, diba? That's where we're gonna run. Ayan o. Ang dami rin naglalakad dito. Sana may mga... Ayun! May nag-workout. I love it. Naglalakad din siya. Nakapang workout outfit din siya. So, yeah. Yay! Are still here. Ang dami tumatakbo dito. Ang cute. Tapos, ang maganda pa dito, para siyang US style talaga dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga tao tumatakbo because they're so fit. Go-workout sila. Kasi sa inyo, diretso from takbo. Or diretso kain. This is surprise nga sa laki ito eh. Okay na ako. And then, may Nutella. Prunes? Oh, thanks, babe. Now, let's get some French toast. This is what I want. French toast. Here's the breakfast of the champs. Ito ang mga champion. Yan, kainin nyo yan lahat. I love you. My jowa knows me so well. She got me some prunes. Alam niya mahilig ako dito. Thanks, babe. You're the sweetest. Thank you. I love you. And look what I'm having. Wow. Makasalanan. Mainit ka muna.
Sarap nitong potato bread. Kasi wala kang kasama, wala kang spinach. Kasi sabi na nagdala. Ang sarap ng potato bread, mami.
Really? Asa na yung egg ko? Yung pala yung egg.
Ito. Kumuha ka na doon ng tinapay. Tapos ilagay mo, sagay mo ng sauce.
Pretty Miss Jeneline kasi nakilala niya daw ako kasi pina-follow niya daw ako sa TikTok. So, buti na lang inassist niya kami sa mga needs namin kasi nga we forgot our key. So, ayun. Tapos, ang tagal namin nagchikahan. So, Miss Jeneline, Fairmont, thank you so much. Thanks, Fairmont, for cleaning our disgusting room. Ang kalat kasi. Ngayon, amoy bago na naman eh. Wow! Yay! May natira pa tayong saging. It's so clean! We're ready to swim, guys! We found our spot. Medyo malayong lakaran lang towards the beach. Pero at least nakuha namin yung bilog and may silong na siya this time kasi kagabi tostado kami sa araw. So today, we got a perfect spot. Bello. As usual.
ako. Kaya nang pag umakit tayo, mamaya magyaya na naman mong gumawa lumabas. Okay.
We have our friends coming over. And buti na lang, binisita nila kami dito here sa hotel. So we're having some drinks and, you know, we're just gonna have a good time together. So now they're already at the restaurant. Susunod na lang ako kasi I forgot my camera but this has to be documented. So now it's time to go. Nakailang ano na tayo? Alcohol. Yan, mag-road trip. Road trip talaga? Thanks for visiting us, Stanley and Rox. Wait. Yay! Buo na naman kami this time. Yeah, I'm so happy. Hey, gym buddies! Sino ang driver na designated driver natin today? Of course, si Mr. Stanley! Guys, I'm super happy right now. We're here in Ibn Battuta.
Uy, Stanley, meron siya. Sabi siya, hindi na natin kailangan kuhanin sa hotel.
Yung nag-start ko lang kami sa Dubai. Ito na yung mall na pinupuntahan ko.
Ay, malaki yung nandun.
Now, we're here! We're back! Anong oras na? It's already 9:40 p.m. And we're here at the mall, Ibn Battuta. Sobrang saya ko. And I'm here with my friend, Stanley. Wait, and here's Rox. Yay! Ay, lalabas yung ihi ko. Wait. Naiiyak ko eh.
One eternity later.
Everybody, good morning. Everybody, good morning. Now it's time to have breakfast again. Same restaurant as yesterday. Ano oras na ba? It's already 9:35. Here's my breakfast. Some eggs Benedict, of course bacon, and green tea.
Little later.
Hello everybody, it's checkout time. It's already 1:14 in the afternoon. So this is it. We're ready to say goodbye. We love Fairmont Hotel and nag-enjoy din kami kasi nasulit namin yung stay dito. Tapos we were able to see our friends pa yesterday. Tagal namin nag-catch up and nakapag-relax ka ba? You were able to relax. Okay, that's good. So that's it for now, guys. We'll see you next time and see you on my next lifestyle vlogs here in Dubai. Bye! Okay, time to drive now. I'll see you guys ulit next time. Bye!